The 4 types of email marketing. Which one should you use? Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience. But with so many different types of email marketing, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll break down the 4 most common types of email marketing. Then we will give you some pro tips on which one might be best for your business. Before that, how about you tap that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Here are the 4 types of email marketing in no particular order. Enjoy. Number 1. Prospecting email. The first type of email marketing is prospecting email. Prospecting emails are sent to customers who don't yet buy from you, but who you think might be interested in your product or service. They're a great way to introduce yourself and your business, and to start building a relationship with potential customers. To write a good prospecting email, start by introducing yourself and your business. Then, explain what you do and why you're excited about it. Finally, include a call to action that encourages the recipient to learn more about your product or service. Number 2. Engagement email. Engagement emails are sent to customers who have already bought from you or who have shown an interest in your product or service. They're a great way to keep your customers engaged with your brand and to upsell them on new products or services. To write a good engagement email, start by thanking the customer for their purchase or for their interest in your product or service. Then, give them some information about new products or services that they might be interested in. Finally, include a call to action that encourages them to learn more about these new products or services. Number 3. Announcement email. Announcement emails are sent to announce changes or updates to your product or service, or to announce new products or services. They're a great way to keep your customers up to date on what's going on with your business, and they can also be used to upsell customers on new products or services. To write a good announcement email, start by announcing the change or update that you're making to your product or service. Then, explain why this change is being made and how it will benefit the customer. Finally, include a call to action that encourages the customer to learn more about the change or update. Number 4. Contest email. Contest emails are sent as part of a contest or promotion that you're running. They're a great way to increase engagement with your brand and to generate leads for new potential customers. To write a good contest email, start by explaining what the contest is and how the customer can enter it. Then, provide some information about what they could win if they enter the contest. Finally, include a call to action that encourages them to learn more about the contest and how they can enter it. Email marketing is a great way to reach out to your target audience to promote your product or service, and now you've got a basic blueprint to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. And as always, like and follow for more.